You're listening to an African Elements top news story for April 5th, 2025. Please visit our website at africanelements.org for more daily news. Dhillon's Civil Rights Confirmation Controversy by Darius Spearman, African Elements. The U.S. Senate recently confirmed Harmeet Dhillon as the Assistant Attorney General for Civil Rights. This confirmation places her at the head of a crucial division within the Department of Justice. The Civil Rights Division is tasked with upholding laws that protect Americans from discrimination. These laws cover discrimination based on race, religion, sex, disability, and national origin. For Black communities and other marginalized groups, this division's work is fundamental to ensuring equal protection under the law. Dhillon's confirmation, however, was not without division. The Senate vote was tight, ending at 52-45. Notably, one Republican senator, Lisa Murkowski of Alaska, crossed party lines to vote against the confirmation alongside Democrats. This close vote highlights the significant concerns surrounding Dhillon's appointment, particularly given the sensitive nature of the Civil Rights Division's mandate. Therefore, her leadership arrives under considerable scrutiny from various groups. Harmeet Dhillon brings a specific legal background to her new role. She founded her own firm, Dhillon Law Group, back in 2004. Her firm has handled high-profile and often controversial cases. One notable case involved challenging President Biden's COVID-19 vaccine mandate for private employers, taking the fight all the way to the Supreme Court. This history signals a focus on specific interpretations of individual liberty that sometimes clash with public health measures or broader community protections. Furthermore, Dhillon has strong ties to former President Donald Trump. She represented him in a legal battle concerning his ballot access in Colorado during the 2024 election cycle. Her advocacy often centers on issues like free speech, religious liberty, and pushing back against what she terms woke workplace policies. This record raises questions for many in the African diaspora about how she will approach civil rights enforcement, especially concerning racial justice and protections against discrimination in employment and voting, which are often intertwined with discussions about systemic issues opponents label as woke. The confirmation of Harmeet Dhillon sparked sharply contrasting reactions. On one side, conservative figures offered strong praise. Attorney Robbie Starbuck and Daily Wire host Ben Shapiro, for instance, lauded her confirmation. They described her as a fearless champion for justice, reflecting a view that her conservative legal principles align with their vision for the country and the DOJ. Conversely, civil rights organizations expressed deep concern and strong opposition. The Leadership Conference on Civil and Human Rights vehemently denounced Dhillon's confirmation. They labeled her an anti-LGBTQ+ activist and an election denier. Their statement argued that her past actions and rhetoric make her unfit to lead the very division responsible for enforcing voting rights and protecting marginalized communities. This opposition underscores fears within Black and other communities that her leadership could undermine hard-won civil rights protections. Copyright African Elements.